Hey, it's Jeremy from RetroShop here, and on the bench today we have a set of 11 through 14 Charger headlights. Now these headlights, for a local customer here, he provided us the headlights, the fog lights, and a full Colorwerkz halo kit, which you can see installed here now. So the standard, well, I guess you could say, would be the outer rings. We also have the projector shroud with a halo on it, and we have the fog lights here. So what's really nice about these is that you have your standard white. You can flip to a solid color red, green, or blue, and of course go back to white for your daily driving. And then of course, as their Colorwerkz Flow series here, you can see that they flow. So obviously this will be something for show mode. You don't want to use this on the streets or you'll get in a little bit of trouble. But I believe that these have over 300 different, variations and different flow modes, I guess you could say. This one I really like. So, once again, these are for a local customer here in St. Louis, part of the St. Louis Modern Mopars group. And if you guys have any questions about this build or any other build that we do here at RetroShop, feel free to reach out to us via the methods listed in the description. Thank you very much.